Today, I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problems. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many badges. I put the badges in 4 different boxes. Each box contains 153 badges. How many badges is all together? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 4. 3 ones times 4 equals 12 ones. Regroup the ones. 12 ones equals 1 10 to ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 4. 5 tens times 4 equals 20 tens. 20 plus 1 10 equals 21 10. Regroup the tens. 21 tens equals 201. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 4. 100 times 4 equals 400. Add the hundreds. 400 plus 200 equals 600. My answer is 4 times 153 equals 612 badges. The conclusion is I have 612 badges altogether. Listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I am going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many Pokemon cards. I put the cards into 2 albums. Each album contains 122 cards. How many cards are there all together? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 2. 2 ones multiplied by 2 equals 4 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 2. 2 tens multiplied by 2 equals 4 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 2. 100 multiplied by 2 equals 200. The answer is 2 multiplied by 122 is 244. In conclusion, I have 244 Pokemon cards all together. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I want to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make math problem based on my picture. I have many puzzles. I put the puzzle in 3 tables. Each table contains 300 puzzles altogether. How many are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 0 ones multiplied 3 equals 0 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 0 tens multiplied 3 equals 0 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 3 hundreds multiplied 3 equals 900. The answer 300 times 3 is 900. In conclusion, I have 900 passwords altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on a picture. Sims have many medicines. I put the medicines into 4 boxes. Each boxes contains 217 medicines. How many medicines are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 4. 7 ones times 4 ones equal 28 ones. Regroup the ones. 28 ones equal to 10 and 8 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 4. 1 tenth times 4 tenths equal 4 tenths. Add the tens. 4 tenths plus 2 tenths equal 6 tenths. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 4. 200 times 400 equal 800. The answer is 4 times 217 equal 868. In conclusion, since has 868 since altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I want to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I have 4 boxes. Each box has 158. How many pages are together? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 4. 8 ones times 4 equal 32. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 4. 5 times 4 equal 20. Step 3. Multiply the hundred by 4. 600 times 3 equal 800. The answer is 4 multiplied by 158 is 682. In conclusion, I have 682 stickers altogether. Thank you for my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. Emma has many pages. She put pages in 4 boxes. Each box contains 223 pages. How many pages are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 4. 3 ones times 4 equal 12 ones. Regrouping the ones, 12 ones equal 110 2 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 4. 2 tens times 4 equal 8 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 4. 200 times 4 equal 800. The answer is 4 multiplied by 223 is 892. In conclusion, Emma has 892 pages altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I am going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many cards. I put the card in 3 boxes. Each box contains 231 cards. How many cards are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 1. 1 ones multiplied 3 is 3 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 3 tens multiplied 3 is 9 tens. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 2. 200 multiplied 3 is 900. The answer is 3 multiplied by 231 is 693. In conclusion, I have 693. 693 altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many books. I put the books into 4 boxes. Each box contains 200 books. How many books are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 4. 4 times 0 equals 0.
Step 2. Multiply the tens by 4. 4 times 0 equals 0. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 2. 2 times 4. 2 times 4 equal 8. The answer is 800 books. In conclusion, I have 800 books altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I want to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I made a math problem based on my picture. Jordan had 3 nests. Each nest contains 121 eggs. How many eggs did Jordan have altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. In conclusion, Jordan had 363 eggs altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many comics. I put the comics in 4 boxes. Each box contains 111 comics. How many comics are there altogether? How to solve it? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 4. 1 ones times 4 equals 4 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 4. 1 tens times 4 equals 4 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 4. 100 times 4 equals 400s. The answer is 111 multiplied by 4 is 444. In conclusion, I have 444 comics altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you. Today I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many cards. I put the cards in the 3 boxes. Each box contains 100 cards. How many cards are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. By 0. 0 ones times 3 equals 0 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 0. 0 tens times 3 equals 0 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 100 multiplies 3 equals 300. The answer is 3 multiplies by 100 equals 300. In conclusion, I have 300 cards altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you everyone.
Today, I am telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many little balls. I put the balls in 3 boxes. Each box contains 200 balls. How many balls are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 2 ones times 3 is 6. Step 2. 6 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 0 times 3 is 0, 0 tenths. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 3. 0 times 3 is 0 The answer is 3 multiplied by 200 is 620. In conclusion, I have 600 balls altogether. Thank you for listening my presentation. God bless you.
Today I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problems. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have 4 boxes of books. Each box has 199 books. How many books are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 4. 9 ones times 4 equal 36 ones. Regroup the ones. 36 ones equal 3 tenths and 6 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 4. 9 tenths times 4 equals 36 tenths. Add the tenths. 36 tenths plus 3 tenths equals 39 tenths. Regroup the tenths. 39 tenths equal 309 tenths. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 4. 100 times 4 equals 400. Add hundreds. 400 plus 300 equals 700. The conclusion is I have 796 books altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you. Today I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many books. I stack the books into 3 stacks. Each stack contains 213 books. Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 3 ones times 3 equals 9. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 1 tens times 3 equals 3. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 200 times 3 equals 6. The answer is 3 times 213 is 639. In conclusion, I have 639 books altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you. Today, I want to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have 2 books. Each book contains 121 pages. How many pages are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the 1 by 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 2. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. The answer is 121 multiplied by 2 is 242. In conclusion, there are 242 pages altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I want to tell you about multiplication word problem.
This is my picture. I have a math problem based on my picture. My father gave me 2 packs of stickers. One pack has 125 stickers. How many stickers are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 2. 5 ones times 2 equal 10 ones. Regroup the ones. 10 ones equal 110. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 2. 2 tens times 2 equal 4 tens. Add the tens. 4 tens plus 110 equal 5 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 2. 100 times 2 equal 200. The answer is 2 times 125 equal 250. In conclusion, I have 250 stickers altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. Have 3 pairs of shells. Each pair contains 232 shells. How many shells do you have altogether? Here is how to solve the problem. Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 2 ones times 3 equals 6 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 3 tens times 3 equal 9 tens. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 3. 200 times 3 equals 600. The answer is 3 multiplied by 232 is 696. In conclusion, Nasya have 696 shells altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I am going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many ice cream I put on the 2 table. Each table contains 123 ice cream. How many ice cream are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 2. 3 ones times 2 equals 6 1. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 2. 2 tens times 2 equals 4 10. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 2. 100 times 2 equals 200. The answer is 2 multiplied by 123 is 246. In conclusion, I have 246 ice cream altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you. Today, I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a word problem based on my picture. Penny has 3 boxes. Each box contains 132 books. How much books are there in 3 boxes? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 2 ones times 3 equals 6 ones. So the ones is 6. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 3 tens times 3 equals 9 tens. So the tens is 9. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 100 times 3 equals 300. So the hundreds is 3. So the answer is 132 times 3 equals 396. In conclusion, there are 396 books in 3 boxes. This is the end of my presentation about multiplication word problem. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I'm telling you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many dolls. I put the dolls in 3 boxes. How many dolls are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 3 ones times 3 equal 9 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 3 tens times 3 equal 9 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 100 times 3 equal 300. The answer is 133 multiplied by 399. In conclusion, I have 399 dolls altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I'm going to tell you about multiplication word problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many pens. I put the pens in 2 pencil boxes. Each box contains 100 pens. How many pens are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 2. 0 ones times 2 equals 0 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 2. 0 tens times 2 equals 0 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 2. 100 times 2 equals 200. The answer is 100 multiplied by 2 is 200. In conclusion, I have 200 pens. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I am going to tell you about multiplication word problems. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. A toy store had 3 shelves. Each shelf contained 104 dolls. How many dolls did they have altogether? Step 1. Multiply 4 by 3. 4 times 3 equals 12 ones. 1 tens, 2 ones. Multiply, step 2. Multiply 0 by 3. 0 times 3 equals 0 tens plus 1 ten equals 1 ten. Step 3. Multiply 100 by 3. 100 times 3 equals 300. The answer is 104 times 3 equals 312. The answer is 104 times 3 equals 312. In conclusion, they had 312 dolls altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today, I am going to tell you about multiplication word problem. I have many toys. I put the toys in 3 boxes. Each boxes contains 110 toys. How many toys are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply to 1 by 3. 0, 1, 0, 1 multiplied by 3 equals 01. Step 2. Multiply the 10 by 3. 110 multiplied by 3 equal 310. Step 3. Multiply the 100 by 3. 100 multiplied by 3 equal 300. The answer is 300 multiplied by 110 is 330. In conclusion, I have 60 toys. Thank you for listening. God bless you.
Today I'm going to tell you about multiplication problem. This is my picture. I made a math problem based on my picture. In my house, I have two encyclopedia bookcases. Each box contains 318 books. How many books are there in my house? In my bookcases. Step 1. Regroup the ones. Multiply the ones by 2. 8 ones times 2 equal 16 ones. Step 2. Multiply the regroup the tens. Multiply the 1 tens by 2. 1 tens times 2 equal 2 tens. Step 3. Regroup the 100. Multiply the 100 by 2. 300 times 2 equals 600. The answer is 16 ones plus 2 tens plus 600 equal 636. So, book in my bookcases is 639 books. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Today I am going to tell you about multiplication words problem. This is my picture. I make a math problem based on my picture. I have many books. I put the books in 3 boxes. Each box contains 121. How many books are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply the ones by 3. 1 ones multiply 3 equal 3 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens by 3. 2 tens multiply 3 equal 6 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds by 3. 100 multiply 3 equal 300. The answer is 3 multiplied by 121 is 363. In conclusion, I have 363 books altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation. God bless you.
Okay, I want to telling you about multiplication problem. This is my picture. I make a picture of my problem based on my picture. I have many comics. I put the comic in 3 boxes. Each box 120. Each box contains 124 comics. How many comics are there altogether? Set 1. Multiply the 1 by 3. 4 ones times 3 make 12 ones. Regroup the ones. 12. Ones times 1 times 1. Step 2. Multiply 2 times by 3. 2 2 times 3 equals 6, 10. Step 3. Multiply 200 by 3. 100 times 300 equals 300. The answer is 3 multiplied to 100. 224. I is 372 forms altogether. Thank you for my listening to my presentation. God bless you.